In this chapter, we'll take a look at how you're going to find a niche and how to determine whether they're profitable or not. It's a little detour from the main topic, which is video marketing, but this chapter wouldn't be here if it wasn't important. Your niche will determine almost every aspect of your marketing campaign that includes your videos. So let's jump in, shall we? When it comes to a niche, you need to be as specific as you can. The market of your choice is huge, competitive, and most likely saturated. Chances are there are bigger names with better products. So how are you going to compete with them? It's easier and wiser to have a specialized and focused target rather than being too general. You need to have a definite idea of what you are targeting. For example, if you have a product for the make money online niche and you market the product as making money online, your sales will most likely be below average. Very few would be attracted to buy the product. Instead, you can choose one of the many different ways to make money online and focus on that, like affiliate programs, for example. Now that you've gotten an idea of which niche you want to choose, next, you have to make sure that the niche is active. To find an active niche, you would need to monitor their online activities. There is an easy way to do this, which is through the most accessible social media platform there is, which is Facebook. On Facebook, you can just do a quick search in the Groups search box for your niche, for example, affiliate program. Then Facebook will show you the search results that are probably by the dozens, or if you're lucky, by the hundreds. Anyway, this is one of the easiest and most accessible ways you can determine whether a niche is active or not. If there are still activities, especially online, that means the niche is definitely viable. But how do we know whether it's profitable? One of the ways to find out the profitability of the market that you can do by yourself is monitoring the products sold to that niche. For example, the affiliate program niche, which is an information product. You can go ahead and find products that are related to this by a search on a marketplace like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, or JVZoo. These marketplaces have an eclectic collection of products that you can find. They cater to almost all niches you can possibly find. After you've found these products, you can go on to look for their reviews and ratings. In fact, if you can find them in the marketplace, that means there is a demand for the products. It's best that you look at the products that are top sellers and top products on that niche. You can usually find them in the main pages of all the marketplaces. All of the marketplaces will let you know which products rank the highest in terms of sales. In these marketplaces, you can learn a lot about your niche and the products related to them. First of all, you can look at the sales pages of these products and read the copy and watch the video, if there is any. Do it with as many products as you can for your niche, so that you'll learn how to approach them and speak their language, so to speak. This will help you to design your video sales letter, or even help you write the video. Another way of finding the perfect niche is by choosing a niche that you like, that you're passionate about. In school, you were probably told by your English teacher to write what you know. Why do they encourage this? Well, because when you work on something that you're familiar with or interested in, you'll be motivated to work harder, and you're more likely to deliver better quality work. So if you're going to invest money, a lot of time and energy, you might as well do it on something that you enjoy. However, this should come last. The first thing you need to consider is the profitability of the niche. The reason for this being last and all other aspects being prioritized is that because most of the time, what we like doesn't really bring profit. Now that you finally know your niche, it's time for you to dig a bit deeper and truly understand your target audience. Just like all other aspects of niche searching, you can't be generic when it comes to target audience. For example, if your niche is affiliate programs, it's not enough to just target people who are interested in affiliate programs. You have to know their gender, age group, nationality, language, and many other specifics. To do this, it usually takes experience and lots of research. The best kind of research is when you rub shoulders with your target audience. You can do this by joining Facebook groups, forums, and any other type of discussions you can find online. This is how you learn their attitude, their language, and most importantly, their concerns. Use your online reach to expand your knowledge and understanding on your target market. You will need to interact with them. Not only that, but you can also take the opportunity to network and strengthen your presence in the market.